Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your game save data to the cloud on your Nintendo Switch. So you can go over the game that you want to go ahead and upload. So like Super Smash Brothers, press the plus icon on it, and it'll open up this page. Then we can go on down to where it says Save Data Cloud. And then you can go to your profile, and you can select it. So mine says Timmy's not backed up. This is your saved data's current backup status. So we can select A on this. Now it's going to say please wait. And to be able to save it to the cloud, you do need an active subscription to the online services. So you need to get Nintendo Switch Online membership. You can try a 7-day free trial right here, but I think it's around like $4 a month. So if you play online, you definitely want to go ahead and get this. I think you can play free games online without having to have this membership, but if you're trying to play like Super Smash Brothers or something like that, well, you're going to go ahead and need that. Now, you should be able to upload it and then download it at any point in time if you have any kind of issues, but we can also go to System Settings. There's an option under here for Data Management where we can manage our cloud saves right here. It says Transfer Your Saved Data, Cloud right here. So we can select it. Let's go to Timmy again. And we can see all the data. But once again, it's going to bring you back to this page where you need the membership. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.